In this session, we will explain the interface of the software and the basic controls. To launch Artec Studio, double-click the shortcut to the application on your desktop. There are 3 zones in the Artec Studio interface. The Workspace panel contains information about the scans and models which were created and imported in the current project. You can see the name of the current project here. The 3D window displays graphic information and combines all current visible graphic data. In the Control panel, you can start a scanning session, apply the necessary algorithms, and use the editing tools. Above the main panel of the Workspace, you can find a number of useful functional buttons to create new, open the existing, or save the existing project. Project files are saved in .sproj format. The project also includes folders containing the history and encoded scan data. Please pay note how the data is displayed after being uploaded. Each project can consist of 2 different types of data. Scans, the raw information you get after scanning. To examine the parts which make up the scan, double-click. As you can see, the scan consists of multiple separate snapshots, organized in relation to each other. These snapshots are called frames. In addition to the scans, the project can also contain solid polygonal models, which are either the result of scanning and post-processing, or can be imported to the software. If you double left-click on the model, you can see the following information: number of polygons, number of vertices, and the size of the model in RAM. All scans that are loaded or captured during scanning are displayed in the Workspace. They can be visible or invisible. The visibility of a scan is set by the eye on the left side of the panel. If the eye is selected, the object will be displayed in the 3D window and all algorithms will be applicable to it. Algorithms are not applied to invisible objects and scans. You can switch visibility between Select All, Deselect All, Select Scans Only, or Select Fusions Only. Also, you can invert the selection by clicking the hotkey or choosing the necessary command in the list. In Artec Studio, you can switch between several modes of displaying your data. You can switch texture on or off, as well as different rendering parameters. Also, you can switch between different viewpoints. We'll look at ways to move the 3D model around in the Workspace. Double-click on the model to place a temporary rotation center on it. TRC is displayed by a red dot. Use the left mouse button to rotate the model around TRC. Use the right mouse button or mouse scroll to zoom in and out of the model. Hold down both left and right mouse button to move model. To the left of the 3D window, there is a Tools panel. The Scan panel is used to start and capture the scanning process. In this panel, you can also choose the scanning mode and the device which you would like to use. The Edit panel will help you to modify the ready model or edit the raw data. The Tools panel contains a number of algorithms grouped according to their uses. Registration algorithms are necessary for optimizing your scanned data. The algorithms for creating polygonal models are called fusions. Post-processing algorithms will help you to edit your model. We will look at them more closely in our next series of tutorials, but now we will continue going through the interface. The Align panel will help you to merge your data if the object was captured in several scanning sessions. The Edges menu will help you fill in the holes in a fused model. Repair tool will fix small errors on your 3D model. In the Measures panel, there are several measure types available. This tab will help you scan using several devices simultaneously. This tab activates the texturizing process. And finally, you can publish your model on ViewShape, our website for 3D models. This brings us to the end of this introductory video. The tools and features will be covered more closely in our next tutorial videos.